Welcome to another day of Vlogust, and if you want to see what I've got going on today, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And it's another day of Vlogust, and I am going out on the boat with my husband. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, or about products that you can use in your home, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. But certainly check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will list some of my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. These are affiliate links, so if you click on them, I might receive a little compensation, so thank you very much. Okay, so let's jump into today's topic. So I already told you I'm going out on the boat with my husband, and one of the things to think about is when you're going out on the water, the sun can be pretty bright. So you'll want to make sure you wear good sunscreen. So I thought I would show you a get ready with me session today. I'm getting my face made up. Right now you're looking at the finished results, but I'm going to show you what it took to get me here. I'll go ahead and get started.
I'll be ready.
Okay, we're going out on the boat today. So one of the things I'm going to do is get my face prepared for the day. And you may be thinking, you're going out on the lake, why are you putting on makeup? Well, I need to protect my face from the elements. So So now here's my question for you. What sunblock is your go-to when you need to make sure you're protected? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to know more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and planning and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you for another day of Vlogust. So we're all ready to go.
Yep.
So we're off. Yes. That's why I said give me 10 minutes. That meant like don't come in the house for 10 minutes. Okay, so what am I doing today?